So today I have other baby monitor that's it says HD Summer, and again it's a charging issue. So this has a little different port. It uses 7.5 volts. We'll be seeing if it's a connection issue or what's the issue. So I'm getting voltage, no problem. Does seem to be a little bit wiggly. It's not charging at all. So we'll be taking this apart and seeing if we can fix it. Well, so there's the battery pack. See that there's a little connector in there. So we'll just wiggle that connector out. So here is the battery pack out. Milliamp hour, it's a 4S2P. So I'm going to open it up. Yes, and as expected, underneath the antenna there is a hidden screw. I knew that from a previous baby monitor. Just using my finger, you can hear it clicking, and then as you lift it out, just be careful. There's a little connector, the side there, that we can disconnect. We'll just wiggle that out. Remove these buttons. Just put them in the same position. Okay. You just want to pry up this little plastic tab, and then the LCD will be able to slide right off. So, oh boy, for sure this has a problem right here. Look at this. I can move it with my finger there. So see that third leg is not connecting there. So it looks like the ground one is the middle pin. We have a good So here I have, you can see the issue is that a couple of the pins are broken off here. That pad, you can see that the two outer pins are the VCC and the middle one is ground. So here's the internal components. When you push it in, it has that disconnects, that tells it, I guess, that it's connected. Oh no, that pin there, so this pin right here connects to VCC. So that side's VCC, And that goes to this pin here, which we already have. The middle guy, this thing kind of moves around, I don't know why. Old port was no good, so I'm going to be replacing with a mini USB port here, and I disconnected with the positive and negative to the two outside pins and connected it on there. And then since I'm having a new port connector using a mini USB connection, I have to rewire the end of the wire to the charger port so that it can connect there. I'm just using some heat sink, just heating that up so that it can connect to the new port here. And there we go, there's the new head to the charger port, and then I can just connect it right onto the PCB here. And also I put on some super glue onto the heads just to make it a secured connection. The last thing that I have to do is just reassemble everything the same way, putting back the LCD and putting back the buttons, and then you'll just put the case back on top of that and screw everything back down to get everything back in place. Just putting that in there, and I plugged it in. You can see it's the charging symbol is going on there, and at the top right hand side there you can see the power button there, so it's working. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more repair videos like this one, please subscribe.